Hi everyone, I'm Ashok Kumar. In this episode, we are going to explore a deeper control on the map for Android application. So, couple of features changing the map type from cartoonistic to real satellite way on the terrain and the hybrid version. So, how do we do it? So, we're going to follow Google documentation for it. So, so we will be using the same earlier episode project. We will be replacing the fragment and the instantiations. So we are going to replace this fragment with Google documentation fragment, which says Android com dot. So this is no big deal, but so support map fragment, which is an improved version of map fragment, which we are already using. So let's change this to Google map fragment, support map fragment. Yes. So let's save it. And after this, I'm going to remove all the code that we have done in the earlier set of video, including the instance. So I'm gonna keep it simple so that we are good to go to practicing this stuff. So we are going to extend this to fragment activity and implements to on map ready callback. So we may have to implement the on map ready callback interfaces methods, that is on map ready callback. It will return Google map object, so we can play around with it. So as Google defines, we need to use support map fragment and get support fragment manager, find fragment by ID. So the same thing that we did it in earlier video, but which is we are instantiating support map fragment instead of map fragment. And later on map ready, we are taking the same code and we are going to pass the lat long of Sydney, and we are going to instantiate the Google map here. So if we compile it, we should be able to see the same thing which we created in the earlier episode. So for this video tutorial, setting the manifest, it's same as the earlier episode where I'm using the same package. I'm just changing the components. Improvement, we have changed nothing from our manifest level. We have just modified our main activity code with support map fragment, and we have implemented it to on map ready callback, and we have added on map ready overridden method, and we are adding marker. And after this, let's learn how to change the Google map default view. So let's run this. So I'm going to bring my real device forefront. The program is successfully compiled and application is going to start in just a couple of seconds. Okay, application has started. So yes, it has worked. So this is very simple. So let's change our map type as Google suggests. So how do we do it? We'll go back to home, and here there are examples. So as simple as this is, what we will do is we will take the Google map dot, then paste that method. So now we should be able to see the satellite view. So it would be very wonderful if you guys actually take your time to explore other features. It will be as simple as this is, and adding markers and windows. So this is something new feature. So our program is still compiling. Finally it's compiled. So we are running the program. Program will close now. The current application will automatically close. I'm doing nothing, and the new build will get installed. Here you go. We should be able to see a satellite view for the map. I believe it's loading. It's taking a while because it's the satellite image. Yes. So the satellite image is loaded. So it will be very wonderful if you guys actually try a couple of these examples, how to add camera position and other features, and how polyline works. So we have seen the satellite maps. So let's work with the current location. So how do we achieve current location in the same program? So it's one simple line program code which can be used to fetch our current position. So we can see the very simplistic way of achieving this. So how do I do it? So I'll take the same Google map instance and set my location enabled. I'll make it true. So that's it. If I compile it, after the compilation, we should see the current location in the application. The application is loaded. So it is loaded just because our marker and the move camera, it's towards Sydney. So that's the reason the view for the map, it's towards Sydney. So now I'll use this GPS symbol to go to my current location. So my current location is at Pinya Dasrali. Yes, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more tips.